Welcome to this powerful guided meditation infused with Egyptian Sekhem Reiki, honouring the feminine body, supporting women's health and self-worth. In this sacred journey, I channel this divine healing energy through my voice to empower, nurture and restore balance. Sekhmet, the fierce lion-headed goddess of transformation, will help you to release past trauma, boost self-esteem, and deal with body image issues and empower you. You will receive the gentle, loving energy of Hathor, the goddess of motherhood, fertility and joy, to soothe painful cycles, fertility concerns, issues around menopause and overall feminine well-being. Transform issues of self-worth and embrace your divine feminine energy, restoring self-love. Before we begin, find a quiet, comfortable space, close your eyes and allow yourself to relax. Breathe deeply and let go of all worries and concerns. Open your heart to receive Sekhem Reiki's healing energy. Allow the divine presence of Sekhmet and Hathor to uplift and empower you. Place your hands gently over your heart and your womb space, setting an intention for healing, empowerment and self-love. Let this meditation guide you into a state of inner harmony, divine healing and deep self-love. We are now ready to begin. Imagine yourself standing at the entrance of an ancient Egyptian temple, golden sunlight warming your skin. This is a sacred space dedicated to the divine feminine, where the energies of Hathor and Sekhmet reside. As you step forward, you feel a sense of belonging, of being deeply supported by these powerful goddesses. The air is filled with the scent of myrrh and lotus flowers. A soft golden light surrounds you, cleansing away any tension or self-doubt. Ahead of you, a powerful presence emerges. Sekhmet, the lion-headed goddess of courage, transformation, and fierce healing. In ancient Egypt, Sekhmet was the great healer and protector of women. With her fierce energy, she offers profound transformation in all areas of women's health. She was invoked in temple rites for those struggling with reproductive issues, chronic illnesses, or deep emotional wounds. Her priestesses were known for their knowledge of herbs, energy healing, and sacred birthing rites. Sekhmet stands before you, her golden eyes filled with both fire and compassion. You notice the sun disk above her head, representing divine fire and empowered transformation. The disk is surrounded by Uraeus, a cobra crown, a symbol of protection and spiritual awakening. This powerful goddess recognizes your struggles, whether they are physical, emotional, or spiritual. Directed by Sekhmet, the temple priestesses guide you to lie down in a comfortable womb-like space. You feel safe and nurtured. Sekhmet regally glides towards you. You are aware of her strong, powerful presence and her golden glow. She stops close by and connects profoundly with you through her eyes and her spiritual presence. You feel accepted and loved as never before. Sekhmet raises her arms and places her hands over your solar plexus, just below the ribcage. Imagine her hands on your body, or simply trust that they are there, igniting your inner fire and burning away self-doubt, fear, and shame. As golden healing energy is transmitted through her hands into your solar plexus, acknowledge that self-worth is simply the recognition of your inherent value and dignity. Your self-worth is not based on your achievements, appearance, or the approval of others. True self-worth comes from within, from the knowledge that you are deserving of love, respect, and all the good things that life has to offer, simply because you are you. When Sekhmet places her hands over your solar plexus, she ignites the divine light within you, allowing you to feel the truth of your own worth. Settle back and enjoy this experience. Affirm. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. I honor my unique gifts and talents. I radiate self-love and trust in my journey. Sekhmet's energy burns away all shadows of self-doubt, leaving you with a bright, unshakable sense of your own value. Breathe deeply, allowing Sekhmet's golden fire to fill your body with courage, self-love, and vitality. You are enough. You are powerful. You are whole. Sekhmet moves her hands to your heart center and focuses on your level of self-worth as manifest through your body image. As she continues to pour powerful, healing, transformative energy into your heart chakra, Sekhmet infuses you with the truth. Your body is the sacred vessel that carries you through this life. It is worthy of love, care, and respect. Many people struggle with body issue due to unrealistic standards or past conditioning. However, Sekhmet's fiery energy helps you to reclaim your relationship with your body, seeing it as powerful, beautiful, and a perfect expression of who you are. As she ignites the inner fire within you, you begin to appreciate your body as it is, not as society dictates it should be. Sekhmet's transformative touch helps dissolve any negative self-perceptions, empowering you to see your body as a temple of strength and beauty. Affirm. I love and honor my body as it is. It is strong, beautiful, and unique. I nurture my body with kindness and respect. You now feel completely at ease with Sekhmet's powerful energy, and you're ready for the final phase in this transformative time with Sekhmet. Sekhmet is now focusing on freeing you from the impact that past traumas, small or large, are still having on your self-worth. Sekhmet's fierce presence empowers and encourages you to break free from the chains of the past and embrace a future filled with possibility, strength, and peace. Past trauma can have a negative impact on your self-worth, memories of which can be held in the body, creating emotional blocks that hold you back from stepping into your full potential. It is important to acknowledge these experiences, but they do not define you. Sekhmet's healing energy continues to pour in, assisting in releasing the emotional weight of past wounds, allowing you to move forward with resilience and grace. Her hands are over your solar plexus, clearing any beliefs in powerlessness and worthlessness. Her hands are over your heart center, transforming any grief and heartache. Her hands are over your sacral chakra, healing all trauma held in your reproductive organs. Her hands are over your root chakra, transforming any fear of not surviving. She ignites your inner fire even more, burning away the fears, shame, and pain from the past. This fire is your strength, and it allows you to rise from the ashes with renewed vitality. Affirm. I release the weight of my past. I am free from fear, shame, and pain. The fire is my strength. I embrace my healing and step into my power. Through Sekhmet's presence, you are reminded of your divine strength and limitless potential. Each affirmation and each moment of healing leads you closer to the truth that you are worthy, beautiful, and powerful just as you are. Now a warm, soft presence enters the space. Hathor, the Great Mother, the goddess of fertility, childbirth, and divine nourishment. She was honoured by women in ancient Egypt as the bringer of joy, beauty, love, and healing for the feminine body and spirit. Her energy is soothing, nurturing, and deeply loving. She smiles and places her hands gently over your heart and womb. You feel waves of soft golden and pink light pouring into you, filling your being with comfort, healing, and deep self-acceptance. If you're on a fertility journey, longing to conceive or experiencing loss, Hathor surrounds you in divine maternal love. She whispers, "You are sacred," and you surrender to divine timing and trust in your body's power. If you are experiencing challenges with fertility, painful cycles, or other reproductive health concerns, she places her hand over your womb space, pouring healing light into your sacral chakra, clearing stagnation and awakening your creative and life-giving power. She uses her sistrum, a sacred rattle, to dispel negative energies and bring divine blessings. If you are moving through pregnancy, postpartum healing, or the transition of menopause, she honours this sacred cycle within you, and she whispers, "Your body is powerful, wise, and capable. Trust in the natural rhythm of your being." If you are a mother, whether to children, dreams, or creations, Hathor offers you her boundless love and support. She reminds you that you too deserve to be nurtured, rested, and cared for. If you are going through menopause, transitioning into a new phase of wisdom and personal power, she places a golden crown of light upon your head, and she whispers, "You are stepping into your most powerful self. Embrace this time with love, grace, and deep self-respect." Breathe deeply, allowing Hathor's energy to move through your womb, heart, and entire body, restoring balance, soothing discomfort, and awakening your inner goddess. The priestesses now assist you in standing up. You stand between Sekhmet and Hathor, feeling whole, radiant, and deeply loved. Sekhmet has reignited your strength, confidence, and passion. Hathor has nourished your body and spirit with healing, love, and self-acceptance. Both goddesses place their hands on your shoulders, blessing you with protection, wisdom, and empowerment. You are a woman of divine power, beauty, and resilience. It is time to leave this wonderful temple. Give grateful thanks to Sekhmet, Hathor, and all others that helped you complete this powerful, transformative process. Take a deep breath in, feeling their energy integrate into every cell of your body as you leave. As you exhale, visualize gold and pink light surrounding you, protecting and uplifting you in the days ahead. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes. Perhaps take a few moments to reflect. How do you feel? Write down any insights, emotions, or guidance that you may have received. Make sure you're hydrated. Take a rest if you need it, or go for a walk and get some fresh air, and carry this divine empowerment with you into your daily life. And a final affirmation to repeat throughout the day. I honor my body. I embrace my strength. I am whole, radiant, and deeply loved. And for deeper and deeper healing, repeat this exercise often. Thank you for joining me on this journey of honoring the feminine body, confidence, and transformation with Sekhmet and Hathor. May the power of the goddesses continue to bring you peace, love, and emotional freedom in your life. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support this channel and help others find this healing energy. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment. Until next time, stay open to transformation, trust your journey, and remember you are always loved.